Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Timo Alifah. My student number is 236121238. Here I will explain about mini lesson plan in this class. The topic is procedure text, level intermediate, junior high school, class 9. Objective: students are able to understand procedure text, identify the structure and language with their use, and be able to write and elaborate procedure text in the correct order. Class size is
18 students.
Class environment strategy: building a conducive environment. And strategy, the first is warm greetings. Teacher greets students with a friendly greeting and eye contact as they enter the classroom to create a pleasant atmosphere. Second, inspirational quotes. Using a pattern that students can access online to display inspirational quotes that change daily. Each student had a trend to add a quote of their choice to make the activity more interactive. In addition, students also took turns to read and quotes in front of the class to practice public speaking confidence. And the third is seating is flexible. Students sit in pairs of boys and girls, and the pairs are changed every week so that students can get to know and interact with different friends. And the last is collaborative creation. Students and teachers creatively create and write class role at the beginning of the semester to increase a sense of responsibility. And then the objective class environment strategy is to create a warm, inclusive, courteous, and comfortable classroom atmosphere where students feel valued and motivated to actively participate in the learning. The next is lesson stage and classroom management tactic. The let-in use 10 minutes activity. The teacher plays a video from YouTube that contains material on procedure text, including the definition, structure, and linguistic rule used in procedure text. The video also shows an example of a simple tutorial, for example, how to make a sandwich, so that students can clearly see the materials and steps for making it. And then the class management using cold calling strategy to engage students randomly and avoid domination by certain students. The teacher asks students to take turns mentioning the structure, grammatical elements of the step of making a sandwich that they capture from the video. This approach ensures that all students are active. The next is main activity, paid work, 30 minutes. The activity is students are in group according to their bandmates, and then each group creates a procedure text using the Canva application to make it look attractive, with a free theme, but it should not be the same as other group. The Canva results are collected in the Padlet so that all students can see and comment on the results of other groups. And the last is the teacher choose 3 groups to present the results of the procedure text that has been made in front of the class. And then the class management in main activity. Clear interaction verbally and written on the board. Noise management. Teacher use hand clapping to drown out noisy if the sound is too high. Teacher works around the classroom proximity control for mentoring. And the last is teacher supervises with proximity control and helps groups that are having difficulty. Sharing and feedback 10 minutes. The activity is after some group present the result of the procedure text they made, then the teacher gives praise or simple correction. The classroom management in sharing feedback is first, use positive reinforcement. For example, good job on the clear steps, or I like how you use sequential words like first and then. The second and correction are made in a constructive way. For example, try using boil instead of cook when talking about water next time. Wrap up and reflection 10 minutes. The activity using a stars and a wish. Each student write down one thing they learned or like from today's lesson. and one thing they would like to understand better or learn more about next time. And the answers are written on sticky notes and posted on the learning wall. The classmen improve up and reflection using a line method where the quietest students are allowed to leave the classroom first, keeping the class organized and training students to remain calm, disciplined when leaving the room. Behavioral management and handling potential issue. The general approach, the first is preventive, involving students in the certain of class role from the beginning of the semester so that they feel ownership and responsibility. Reading positive quotes every day to motivate students to be more enthusiastic and good behavior. The second is responsive. If there are students who are unfocused and disruptive. Step 1. Use eye contact and hand gesture to remind. Step 2. Give a short warning in positive language without shaming. The step 3. If it persists, talk to the student privately at the end of the class to ask what makes it difficult for him to focus or disrupt friends. And the third is contingency plan. If the pair is not cooperative, the teacher replaces the pair with another group to create better group dynamic and ensure each student can contribute optimally. And if student feels shy to speak, give the option to wait first before speaking. Optional notes, teacher reflection after the class. The first is do sitting strategies, help student engagement. The second is were the noisy management signal effective. The third is which students were less engaged, what is the follow-up? And the fourth is the discussion method effective to help students interact with their peers? The fifth is the delivery of material using video from YouTube effective. And the sixth is are codes effective for building student morals?